Today we are doing a unboxing of the Oneplus Drop charger. It's a 30-watt wireless charger. On opening the box, we can see the charger itself, the wireless charger. Apart from that, there is not much. Once you pull out the charger from the box, behind the charger you have the plug. Surprisingly, if you compare this with the Mi charger, wireless charger, same 30-watt charger, it doesn't have a power brick or anything. It's just a simple charger. Here, on the other hand, on the Oneplus charger, we get a power brick attached to the charger, and the charger brick looks quite robust, strong. Apart from that, there is nothing in the box. We have a instruction manual in the box on how to use the charger. Not much to see there. Now let's see the build quality of the charger. As I said earlier, the charger brick looks quite robust. The charger itself is quite well built. It's made in China. There is a soft lining on the bottom and vent for the heat dissipation. You will also have a fan on the behind that will help the heat dissipation. So that's what that is the Oneplus charger.